What's going on, you guys? Today I'm taking shot number 3 at installing my crankshaft pulley from Modern Performance, and I had found this on Wish. It is a universal pulley holder. It comes with 4 sets of pins that is clip on right here. I'm using the really big ones right here because I want a maximum strength. I'll show you how they go in. Let's go ahead and put the pins in. And flip it over. Comes with these as well. Lock bolts on it. And I'm really hoping that this is the last time I have to do this. But as it works, you're going to mount them inside there. And as you're trying to twist it to get that crankshaft pulley bolt off, this will hold it in place. I'll probably mount the end. Hopefully if it reaches to the floor, I can just drop it on the floor. And if not, I'll find somewhere else to mount it as soon as I get in there. But I just want to give you guys a little review, how it works, what it is. I found it for $40, which you can't really beat. And it's got some real weight to it. It really does. Real weight to it. The pins seem very sturdy. I like that it has these 2 nuts that go on the end of it to hold the pins in place. And I'm hoping that it's going to give me what I need to get that bolt off. I've already tried it with the impact wrench. I've tried it doing it by hand. So this is kind of my last resort, and I'm really hoping that I can get it. I'm just going to put a breaker bar on it, put the universal pulley holder on it, and just try to muscle my way through it. So I'll be sure to get to that video, and if you guys want information where to get it at, give me a comment, and I'll be sure to get back at you guys. Alright, you guys, here's my follow-up on the crankshaft pulley removal. Here's my little setup. I put the universal pulley right there, and it was braced on this metal part, but I went ahead and put a cloth right there. Put my breaker bar, which is actually my torque wrench. I had it hanging, and I came over here to the end, put my arm under it, and I pulled towards the car, and that actually broke the bolt. So I do have it off now, and I'll put an install video when I get the new one put on. Alright, you guys, got it off. Man, 3rd time's a charm. That thing was a pain in the ass. But that's the old one. And it definitely does have some weight to it. Man, a lot of weight. And my Modern Performance, lightweight. So here I go. I'm going to do the install. Put it back in there. My liquid line's in the way, but that's it, you guys. I'm so stoked I got that off. So let me go ahead and put it back in, and I'll get a video back up for you guys. Alright. Alright, I didn't take any pictures or do a video on reinstalling the new pulley, but it's just basically just do everything backwards. Make sure that this little pin right here lines up with the one on your crankshaft. Put the bolt back on. I didn't have an impact gun to torque it down, so I just used my torque wrench, and I set it to 150. That's as high as it can go, and I pushed as far as I can get it, so that's just going to have to stay on. I took it for a test drive. It runs pretty well. Throttle's really responsive. It just feels so much lighter because, you know, you're taking this much weight off the engine having to pull. It just feels so much better. So like I said, you guys got any comments, any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll be happy to answer you guys back. And if you're out there doing the same project, good luck. Hopefully you guys don't take you guys 3 times, and get it done. Thank you very much.